Now, in today's class, we shall be looking at finding the side of a triangle. Now, when finding the side of a triangle, we apply a theory which is known as the Pythagoras Theorem. And in Pythagoras Theorem, we have some sides. We have the longer side of the right angle triangle, which we call the hypotenuse. The other side here, we call it the opposite and the adjacent. Now, why you have this type of shape, the right angle triangle, the formula simply states that the hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. While the opposite squared is equal to hypotenuse squared minus adjacent squared. While the adjacent squared is also equal to the hypotenuse squared minus the opposite square. So when looking for any part of the triangle, the right angle triangle, we must keep this in mind and apply this to the variable that is given to us. Let's go further by looking at our first example for today. Now, we are asked to find the unknown side of the triangle below. What is the unknown side? X. From this, we discover the unknown side is the hypotenuse. The unknown side, the longest side of the right angle triangle, is the hypotenuse. So let's see. Imputing the formula into this, we will simply write S squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. S squared will be equal to 3 squared is 9, while 4 squared is 16, which is simply S squared is equal to 25 centimeters. To take off our square, we need to look for the square root of both sides. So x will be equal to the square root of what? 25 cm, which is simply what? 5 cm. So the side, the unknown side of the triangle is simply 5 centimeters. Let's look at another question. Now I have another question here, and this question we are asked to look to find the value of y in the figure below. Now, if you look at this question properly, you will discover that this is a right angle triangle. This y here is simply the perpendicular height. The hypotenuse is given to us as 25, while the adjacent is given to us as 7 centimeters. So, if I'm looking for y, the formula simply states that a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. In this case, our y is the a squared is equal to 25 squared minus 7 what squared equal to 25 squared is 6, 25 minus 49. Which will simply give us 9 from 15, will give us 6, 4 from 11, will give us 7, and we'll have our 5. Now to get our final answer, because here we have the y squared is equal to this. To get y, we need to look for the square root of the other side, which is 576. The square root of 576 is simply what? 24 what? Centimeters. So, the unknown side y is 24 centimeters. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's Bangers.